Mark 1:40 through 45. A man with leprosy came to him and begged him on his knees, "If you are willing, you can make me clean." Jesus was indignant. He reached out his hand and touched the man. "I am willing," he said. "Be clean." Immediately the leprosy left him and he was cleansed. Jesus sent him away at once with a strong warning. "See that you don't tell this to anyone, but go, show yourself to the priest, and offer the sacrifices that Moses commanded for your cleansing as a testimony to them." Instead, he went out and began to talk freely, spreading the news. As a result, Jesus could no longer enter a town openly, but stayed outside in lonely places. Yet the people still came to him from everywhere. John 5:2 through 9. Now there is in Jerusalem near the sheep gate a pool, which in Aramaic is called Bethesda, and which is surrounded by 5 covered colonnades. Here a great number of disabled people used to lie: the blind, the lame, the paralyzed. One who was there had been an invalid for 38 years. When Jesus saw him lying there and learned that he had been in this condition for a long time, he asked him, "Do you want to get well?" "Sir," the invalid replied, "I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred. While I am trying to get in, someone else goes down ahead of me." Then Jesus said to him, "Get up, pick up your mat and walk." At once the man was cured. He picked up his mat and walked. For today's Bible lesson, page 102. Imagine that you are the leper or the sick man at the pool. Write a letter to thank Jesus for healing you. Answer these questions. What was your life like before Jesus healed you? What did he do when he healed you? How did it make you feel? I want you to really think about how these men felt before they were healed, and think about how they were excited and so thankful when Jesus finally healed them. Once you finish your page, I also want you to think about how Jesus heals us, not only from our illnesses, but also from our sins. Take time to say a prayer to Jesus today, thanking him for healing us. I can't wait to hear and see your letters that you wrote to Jesus. It didn't say. Yes, it did.